Hi, I'm Craig. I'm an English tutor and I'm based in London in the UK. Do you find it hard to express yourself in English? Do you struggle to understand native speakers who seem to be using a language that you didn't learn in school? Maybe you enjoy watching movies or TV in English and would like to have that deeper understanding. Perhaps you work in a fast-paced environment like I did in my previous career and want to be able to think and speak quickly on your feet. If you want to take that next step to improve your English and, more importantly, build your confidence in using it, the best way to do that is by having lessons with a native English speaker. Someone who can identify your mistakes and correct you. I focus on everyday English, the English that's spoken on the streets of the UK today. I can teach you idioms and phrasal verbs and correct your pronunciation. And more importantly, build your confidence to using the language, not just learning it. I have a wide range of material and we can have discussions about any number of things, from books and reading to movies to the environment. Whatever interests you. After your trial lesson, I'll send you a comprehensive placement test that gives me an idea of your exact level of English and pick out those weaker areas that I can help you with. My style is relaxed and I want to create an atmosphere where you're comfortable to use English and not be afraid to make mistakes. I want it to feel like it's a chat down the pub with a friend. I'll offer correction not only on your grammar, but in the way a native English speaker would use a particular phrase. That might include an idiom or a phrasal verb, something you haven't heard before. This deeper understanding of English will allow you to build your confidence and understand what native speakers are saying to you. My students have told me they enjoy my relaxed style and it allows them to speak about any subject they want. They also say they enjoy the materials I use, which gives them the flexibility to have a number of different styles of lessons. And this ultimately allows them to achieve their goals. So if you're interested, why not book a trial lesson today? We can have 30 minutes and have a conversation about what your problems are with English, what your struggles are, and we'll see how I can help you. See you soon.